Hi, I'm Sylvia from BIY People and Talent. We're here today talking to the students about how to build their career within the business side of the music industry. My top tips, I think, when you're starting out is don't worry about in that beginning phase having the formal experience, all your own projects. They're the things that really count. It could be helping out a friend's band with their social media, it could be curating playlists on Spotify, it could be creating content. Remember, when you're starting out, your attributes, your attitude, that is just as important as the experience that you have. So, make sure that the employer knows that you are hardworking, committed, dedicated, but also who you are, what music you love, what you're into, why you want to work in music. All really important things for an employer to know.
We just finished the CV workshop with Sylvia. She was amazing and she just gave us a very good insight as to how to actually get jobs in the music industry.
We're just really interested in learning how to actually apply ourselves to get the jobs.
Best advice I got there was to be confident and to be yourself.